Sifuna ukuthi kuqashwe abantu abakwazi ukwenza imisebenzi. Hayi iphukuphuku.
Why do you employ an individual, a man and a woman without qualifications?
Mbalula is nothing. He must first go to school before he calls us names first.
That is done now. I'm Secretary General. My title is Secretary General Fikile Mbalula.
Secretary General who can write a letter.
What the fuck?
I owe nobody any explanation.
Last year we said sisazowakha izindlu ezilingana no 1 million.
No, it was never even 1,000 houses.
Listen properly.
1 million yezindlu zizowakhiwa lezo zindlu.
It was not 1 million. It was almost 100,000 houses.
How many of those have you built since he made that promise in 2019 before the last election?
Listen properly.
As we speak now, we are building
No, in
houses.
Alex.
We are building houses.
But in Alex.
He's not making it better. He's making it more complicated.